Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of mechatronics and automation. In the previous series videos, we have discussed about the various control modes which is used in the control system, namely proportional control, integral control, derivative control, and the combination of proportional integral and proportional derivative and proportional integral derivative controls. So from the video, we have an overview about the control system and various control modes and the application of control modes. In these lecture series videos, we are going to discuss about uh, the adaptive control system, then various classification of adaptive control system, then data acquisition system. So before entering into the adaptive control system, uh, let us know about adaptive. So what do you mean by adaptive? Adaptive means it is uh, it is the situation where the parameters can be adaptive based on the external uh, variations or external circumstance. So that is called adaptive. So here we have a control system that can be adaptive to the environment or adaptive to the sudden change in the situation. So that we are going to discuss about in this video. So let us have a discussion on the adaptive control. So as I told you earlier, so adaptive control system means it adapts the changes of the parameter so that can be changed frequently. So based on the external circumstance or external change in the parameter, it changes the input parameters and it changes the factors in the control system. That is called the adaptive control systems. So these entire systems which can be controlled by means of a microprocessor or a microcontroller, uh, depending upon the application on the requirement, the uh, microprocessor or use of microprocessor or microcontroller can be selected. So here I have illustrated the diagram of that is flow diagram of the adaptive control. So in the initial control system, we have a process that can be controlled by means of the controller. The controller can be a directive control or the normal type of controller. Under the direction of controller, we have a process that can be controller. If you use the adaptive control, the estimation of the parameters, that is the external parameters can be measured with the help of suitable sensors or the data acquisition systems, and that can be given as the input for the system. That the controller parameters can be, that is factors can be changed accordingly to the requirement of the controller. So here, for example, control factors, that is K, KD if in the case of derivative control, KP if in the case of proportional control, those factors can be uh, changed accordingly to the external circumstance. For example, you take a central heating system. So the central heating system or central cooling system, uh, it is used to control the temperature inside the cabin. So the environmental conditions need not be same for all the times. Sometimes humidity may higher or sometimes temperature can be higher. So what we have to do is we need to place the sensor at the outside of the ambient that measures the humidity and the temperature. Based on that, the inside cabin temperature and the humidity can be varied. So the external, based on the external condition, it automatically varies the inside temperature. So that is the idea about the adaptive control system. And these are all the references for my presentation. Mechatronics by W. Bolton, published by Pearson Education in the year of 1999. And my second reference, Mechatronics by Bradley, published by Chapman and Hall, the year of 1999, 93. So in this video, we discussed about the adaptive control. What is adaptive control? And with the help of flow chart, how this adaptive control can be accomplished in the system. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.